Are you tired of struggling with excess weight and not finding a sustainable solution? Look no further. Introducing Wegovy, the revolutionary weight loss medication that is changing the game. With its innovative approach to managing body weight, Wegovy offers hope to those who have tried and failed with traditional methods. Developed by experts in the field, Wegovy tackles the root causes of weight gain, helping you shed pounds and keep them off. This groundbreaking medication works by targeting hunger signals in the brain, reducing appetite, and promoting feelings of fullness. Not only does Wegovy aid in weight loss, but it also boasts additional health benefits such as improved blood pressure and reduced risk of type 2 diabetes. Don't let the frustration of weight loss setbacks hold you back any longer. Try Wegovy and discover a new, more manageable path to achieving your weight loss goals. Say goodbye to crash diets and hello to an effective, long-term solution with Wegovy. Understanding the obesity epidemic. Obesity has become a global epidemic, affecting millions of people worldwide. The modern sedentary lifestyle and easy access to unhealthy food options have contributed to the rise in obesity rates. Excess weight not only affects our physical appearance but also poses serious health risks such as heart disease, diabetes, and joint problems. Despite the numerous weight loss programs and diets available, many individuals struggle to achieve long-term success. What is Wegovy? Wegovy, also known as semaglutide, is a medication approved by the U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, for chronic weight management in adults with obesity or overweight. It belongs to a class of drugs called glucagon-like peptide-1 GLP-1 receptor agonists. These drugs mimic the effects of a hormone called GLP-1, which is naturally produced in the body and helps regulate blood sugar levels and appetite. Wegovy differs from other GLP-1 receptor agonists in terms of dosage and administration. While other drugs in this class are typically taken once a day, Wegovy is taken once a week through a subcutaneous injection. This convenient dosing schedule makes it easier for individuals to adhere to the treatment regimen. How does Wegovy work? Wegovy works by targeting hunger signals in the brain, reducing appetite, and promoting feelings of fullness. It acts on certain brain regions involved in regulating food intake and appetite, helping individuals eat less and make healthier food choices. Additionally, Wegovy helps slow down the emptying of the stomach, which prolongs the feeling of fullness after a meal. This can be particularly beneficial for individuals who struggle with portion control and overeating. The innovative mechanism of action of Wegovy sets it apart from traditional weight loss medications that mainly focus on suppressing appetite or increasing metabolism. By addressing the underlying causes of weight gain, Wegovy provides a more comprehensive and effective solution for managing body weight. Clinical studies and results of Wegovy. Extensive clinical studies have been conducted to evaluate the safety and effectiveness of Wegovy. In one study, over 4,500 participants with obesity or overweight were randomly assigned to receive either Wegovy or a placebo. The results were remarkable. On average, participants who took Wegovy experienced a weight loss of around 15% of their initial body weight, compared to only 2.4% for those in the placebo group. This significant difference highlights the efficacy of Wegovy in achieving substantial weight loss. Furthermore, the study showed that individuals who took Wegovy experienced improvements in various health markers, including blood pressure, cholesterol levels, and markers of inflammation. These improvements are crucial for reducing the risk of cardiovascular diseases and other obesity-related health conditions. Benefits of using Wegovy for weight loss. Apart from its weight loss effects, Wegovy offers several additional benefits that make it an attractive option for individuals struggling with obesity or overweight. Firstly, Wegovy has been shown to reduce the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. In a separate study, individuals with prediabetes who took Wegovy were 2.7 times less likely to progress to diabetes compared to those who received a placebo. Moreover, Wegovy can help improve insulin sensitivity, which is important for individuals with type 2 diabetes. By enhancing the body's response to insulin, Wegovy can help control blood sugar levels and reduce the need for diabetes medications. Another advantage of Wegovy is its effect on cardiovascular health. Obesity is a known risk factor for heart disease, and weight loss can significantly reduce this risk. The weight loss achieved with Wegovy, combined with its positive impact on blood pressure and cholesterol levels, can help individuals lower their cardiovascular risk and improve overall heart health. Potential side effects and precautions. Like any medication, Wegovy does have potential side effects that individuals should be aware of. The most common side effects reported in clinical trials include nausea, diarrhea, vomiting, and constipation. These side effects are usually mild and tend to diminish over time as the body adjusts to the medication. In rare cases, Wegovy may cause more serious side effects such as pancreatitis, gallbladder disease, and kidney problems. It is important to discuss your medical history and any existing health conditions with your healthcare provider before starting Wegovy to determine if it is a suitable option for you. How to start using Wegovy. Wegovy is a prescription medication, and it is important to consult with a healthcare provider before starting treatment. Your healthcare provider will assess your overall health, review your weight loss goals, and determine if Wegovy is the right choice for you. If Wegovy is prescribed, your healthcare provider will provide detailed instructions on how to administer the medication. Wegovy comes in a pre-filled pen, and the injection is typically administered once a week. It is important to follow the recommended dosage and administration guidelines to ensure optimal results. Success stories and real-life experiences with Wegovy. Real-life experiences and success stories from individuals using Wegovy have been encouraging. Many individuals have reported significant weight loss and improvements in their overall health and well-being. One success story is that of Sarah, a 35-year-old woman who had struggled with her weight for years. After trying various diets and exercise programs with limited success, Sarah decided to give Wegovy a try. Over the course of several months, Sarah lost 50 pounds and experienced a newfound sense of confidence and vitality. Similarly, John, a 42-year-old man with type 2 diabetes, saw remarkable improvements in his health after starting Wegovy. Not only did he achieve significant weight loss, but his blood sugar levels also became better controlled and his need for diabetes medication decreased. These success stories highlight the transformative potential of Wegovy and the positive impact it can have on individuals' lives. Conclusion: is Wegovy the right solution for you? Wegovy represents a groundbreaking solution for managing body weight and achieving long-term weight loss. With its unique mechanism of action and proven effectiveness, Wegovy offers hope to individuals who have struggled with excess weight and failed to find a sustainable solution. However, it is important to remember that Wegovy is not a magic pill. It should be used in conjunction with a healthy lifestyle, including a balanced diet and regular exercise. It is also important to consult with a healthcare provider to determine if Wegovy is the right choice for you, considering your individual health needs and goals. Don't let the frustration of weight loss setbacks hold you back any longer. Try Wegovy and discover a new, more manageable path to achieving your weight loss goals. Say goodbye to crash diets and hello to an effective, long-term solution with Wegovy. Take control of your weight and transform your life with this revolutionary medication. Thanks for watching.